Hello foodies, welcome back to Tadka. I'm Mercy Rebecca. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful delicious coconut burfi. Unlike the usual hard coconut burfi which you get in the market, this is something different which is very delicious, moist, soft and melt in mouth coconut burfi. This is very easy and simple recipe. No mawa, no condensed milk. We prepare with very less ingredients which are available at home. So why delaying? Let's get started.
Tadka by Mercy Rebecca.
To begin with, place a saucepan on the heat and add 3 cups of desiccated coconut or copra and roast it for 5 minutes. You can also use freshly scraped coconut, but you have to dry roast it to remove the moisture first. Do not over roast it because we are not going to change the color of the desiccated coconut. We just want to remove the moisture which is present in the coconut. Mix it continuously to avoid burning at the bottom. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee and roast it for another 2 to 3 minutes. I have dry roasted it first to get that nutty flavor and then I have added ghee. To get that smooth texture, you can powder it in a blender or a food processor before using it. Now add 1 3/4 cup of milk. Use whole milk to add some fat to the sweet, which makes it more delicious. Mix it continuously to avoid sticking at the bottom. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my new videos. Now you can see the milk is fully absorbed and completely evaporated. Now add 1/4 cup of milk powder and mix it continuously to avoid sticking at the bottom. When the mixture thickens and starts leaving the pan, it's time to add 1 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. After adding sugar, you can see the mixture leaves some water. It becomes liquidy. At this point of time, add well powdered almond and cashew nuts. Also add 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder to enhance the flavor. You can add 1 teaspoon of ghee here, which is completely optional. Now take half of the cocoa mixture in a separate bowl and add some orange food color. Mix it nicely for few minutes to get that even color in the mixture. Now grease the tray with ghee and add the remaining cocoa mixture. Now use a spatula and give it a rectangular shape. Do this when it is partially hot. Use a spatula or a spoon to smoothen it on top. Now it's time to do the layering. Now add the orange coconut mixture. Adding a tinge of color to the sweet gives a halwai style look. If you don't like, leave it as it is. Even white looks glorious. Now follow the same steps to spread the orange layer on the first layer. That's my daughter. She loves decorating. Now it's time to decorate. Garnish it with some chopped pistachios and some desiccated coconut. Then refrigerate it overnight or for at least 3 to 4 hours. After refrigerating for 3 to 4 hours, now you can see it is all set Now let's mark some cuts vertically first. Well, you can cut it in any required shape. Here I am giving a diamond shape. Now I am cutting diagonally to get diamond shapes. Now this is my favorite part. After waiting for 3 to 4 hours, खाने का हक तो बनता है यार. It's time to taste it. Wow, look at its texture. It is so soft, juicy and heavenly. You can also cut them in some star shapes. My kids really loved it. So friends, if you're trying this, please do let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. I'm happy to reply you. Friends, if you like the video, please do not forget to share it with your friends and family. It really helps us to grow our channel. Thank you so much for your love. Keep supporting, keep motivating. New viewers, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest video updates. We'll meet in the next video with a beautiful recipe. Till then, have a good day. Happy cooking.